Now we're going to look at some word problems. This is from an assignment in week 12 called Translate Phrases to Inequalities. And the worksheet itself the heading was Write an inequality for these real world solutions. Number 4, Jack spent less than $38 on a magazine and 5 composition books. The magazine cost $6, and let the cost of the composition books be Z, because we don't know what the cost of the composition books was, and that's what we're going to try to find out. So we just know that he spent overall less than $38. So let's write that down. We know he spent less than $38. So we're going to find out the cost of the 5 composition books and the magazine over here. It says let the cost of the composition book be Z. All right, so we know we have a variable called Z, but we also know that he bought 5 of them. So 5Z. We don't know how much the cost of Z is yet, but we know he bought 5 of those. And then we know that the magazine cost $6. So he only bought 1 magazine, so we can write plus 6, and then we've got an inequality statement we can actually solve. So we're going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and do what we do, which is solve problems. And we use the golden rule, and like we've done so many times before, we're going to end up with 5Z, and then less than 32. If we continue here, and we divide by 5 on both sides, we're going to get 32 over 5, which is in decimals, I suppose. You can call that 6 and 2/5, or 6 and 6.4. That would work too. So there are different ways to write that, but that Z is going to be less than 6.4, and the cost of the composition book must be Z. So that's $6.40. Let's say that's $6.40. $6.40 is going to be the cost. Now, does that make sense? We can write an answer. Let the cost of the composition book be Z. The composition book would have to be the composition. Now, I didn't ask you to do this because I think it just wanted you to write the sentence, the inequality, just to express it. The composition books would be less than $6.40 each. And that's it. We've solved it. Notice again that this kind of problem usually has a fixed quantity and a variable quantity, and that's the key to recognizing those and just doing a lot of them, and hopefully this helps. So I'm going to do one more in a different video.